This is the prehistoric looking cassowary bird. It can get up to 6 feet tall and 160 pounds. Its color, it's got a blue head and neck and 2 red flaps. It also has a horn on the top of its head. It is shy and difficult to spot in their natural habitats. These solitary birds are considered dangerous if it attacks, which it does not do often. Yet, it is not a bird you want to startle or provoke to anger. It does not fly. It has long, powerful legs. They are strong and fast swimmers and can run as fast as 31 miles per hour. It can jump up to 7 feet straight up in the air, and its legs can deliver strong kicks with an inner toe that is dagger-like. It can slice or puncture, delivering a lethal laceration. Its diet is fallen fruit that falls on the rainforest floor. It also eats insects, snails, fish, and other animals. Its location is the dense tropical rainforest in northern Australia, New Guinea, or Indonesia.
And it sounds like this.